COVID-19 has brought many changes to our lifestyle. This is an anxious time for all of us. It has reduced our routine activities. One way, you are lucky enough that you all are safe at home and spending lots of time with your parents and your loved ones. They are providing you with all the necessary guidance. At the same time, your teachers too have good thoughts for you. They will help you how to keep yourself safe, healthy and occupied. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi all, how are you? I'm Lakshmi Datla, your library teacher. Friends, would you help me to find out the meaning of this word, hibernation? Yes, some animals like bears, etc., they leave themselves in their cozy homes to protect from the harsh weather outside. In the warmer season, they come back to their normal activity, isn't it? Contrary to that, caterpillar also shuts itself in its cozy home called chrysalis for a few days, but comes out of the house as a beautiful butterfly. Similarly, we are also staying at homes nowadays, aren't we?
Yes.
But what are we doing? Hibernating or something protective. What makes the difference? Books? Books are our best friends, aren't they? Some books are full of problems. They puzzle us. Some books tell us stories of the past. Some books advise us like best friends. How to be happy, what to do, what not to do, etc. Some books make us laugh. They're fun to read. Some books give us deep insight. They change our thought process. So, dear students, as a librarian, I strongly recommend you to read something new, whether it is an e-book or a printed book. Read regularly beside your studies. Dear friends, stay home, stay safe, but keep reading. Sky is the limit. Thank you.
Hello my dear students. I want to give an important message to you all related to mathematics. Some girls get good marks in mathematics while some others get less marks. Why is this disparity? Why can't everyone get good marks in mathematics? I will reveal the secret behind this. Your marks is proportional to the practice that you make. That means more you practice, more marks you will get. Some girls fear that they do not have talent, so they do not practice. The secret is no talent is required for mathematics. More you practice, you will become a genius in mathematics. It is as simple as that. So my dear students, practice maths daily and you will become a genius one day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone. The coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic is a global health crisis which we all are going through. One of the best ways to prevent this virus is to wash your hands thoroughly. So today I'll be demonstrating to you how to wash the hands with the help of soap or hand wash properly for at least 20 seconds. So let's go.
Firstly, wet your hands with water. Apply some soap or hand wash in your palms and rub well. Also, rub the back side of your hands thoroughly. Lather the soap in between your fingers and ensure cleanliness. Rub the tip of your nails and rub them in your palms to cleanse them. Clean your thumbs well and finish off by cleaning your wrists. Now, wash away the lather. This ensures that your hands are clean. This should be at least for 20 seconds. Thank you.
We need to do some exercises regularly to keep our body healthy. It's not only keep our body healthy but also keep our mind fresh.
Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, how are you all? Today, myself, Mithu ma'am, Janu ma'am will tell you how not to and how to use mask properly. Keep in mind, whenever you step out of your house, make sure that you wear your mask properly. Hey Mithu! Hey Janu! What is this? Why are you not wearing your mask properly? Suffocate you. I can't breathe it properly. See Janu, for your safety, you have to wear your mask properly. Lift it up. Okay. Done. Is this mask for your chin? No, there is no police around us. When they come, I'll lift it up. Janu, for your safety, you have to wear it properly. Lift it up, dear. Okay. Done. Hey Janu, where is your mask? It's here. Why are you not wearing it? There is no corona patient around us. For your safety, you need to wear your mask. Okay. Good. Okay. Chew. Hey Mithu, what are you doing? Why are you scratching your nose with your hands? Oh, this mask, always causes itching. Mithu, don't touch your face with your hands. Why? Where's your gloves? My hands are clean. Mithu, whenever you step out of your house, you have to wear your mask and gloves. It's for your safety. Come on, wear it. Okay. My dear children, the best way to be safe is wear masks and gloves whenever you step out of your house. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello children, how are you all? Have you ever grown a plant? They have great significance in our life. I grow plants for many reasons, to please my eyes or to please my soul. There are amazing reasons to have a plants in your home. They can reduce stress, they remove toxins, they purify air, they can help us to sleep better and reach health and well-being. So, grow plants as many as you can and take a very good care of it. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.
Maintaining a healthy diet during the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 is also commonly called coronavirus. Pandemic is causing a lot of changes in the daily lives of the people around the world. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables provide lot of vitamins, minerals as well as fibers that we need for the healthy diet. Eating fruits and vegetables boosts your immune system. Your immune system is like an internal army. When it's strong, it protects its border against the invasion. When it's weak, it's as if the army is fast asleep. A weakened immune system increases the incidence of viruses and bacterial invasion. It causes skin disorders, delayed wound healing, upper respiratory infection, aging, chronic illness. Eating more fruits and vegetables as a part of healthy diet is an important key to help boost your immune health. So children, eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Stay healthy and stay strong.
Hello everybody. Hope you're having fun at home. Hope you're helping your mother in her household chores. Let me show you what you can do daily. First, you make the bed with the help of your mother. Put it properly. You can also help your mother by arranging the bookshelf. You can do it during your free time. You can also help your mother in folding the clothes. It will be fun. So, these are some of the things that you can do to help your mother. I hope all of you will help your mother. Stay home.
Stay safe and stay safe.
Hello children, I am Bhavna from SPG blog. Hope you all are at home safe and healthy. During this lockdown, spending more of your time with gadget is not good. Make use of your creative skill. Spend time to enhance your skill. It will give pleasure and peace of mind. Hope you will enjoy trying this activity.